These two coffee samples were both roasted using the same sample size and roasting profile. However, if you look closely, they look very different. The first and most notable difference is their color. One sample chose a very uniform color, while the other one chose different shades of brown that go from very light to dark. The first sample is a specialty grade AA from Kenya, while a second one is a commercial grade sample from Honduras, which contains more than 800 defects. A 350-gram coffee sample must be free from grade 1 defects in order to achieve a specialty grade status. In contrast, commercial grade coffee can contain an unlimited amount of them. Before coffee is shipped to its final destination, it must be graded by size, density, and color. Sorting by color at this stage removes most of the sick and faulty beans, while grading by size and density assures uniformity and consistency. Very cheap coffees, however, do not go through this process because it adds expenses, and sometimes these cheap coffees are just surplus or grading mill byproducts. Different shades of brown in a commercial grade sample are the consequence of roasting coffee beans of different sizes and densities along with sick and defective ones together in the same batch. Generally, light and small beans will roast darker, while heavy, big, sick, and defective beans will roast lighter. Unfortunately, they do. Usually these are cheap bottom-shelf coffees, conveniently sold as ground coffee. Although it is an appealing proposition for some buyers, ground coffee doesn't allow a basic visual quality assessment that would otherwise be a deal-breaker for most consumers. This is just one of many reasons you should always buy coffee as a whole bean.